Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum, friends. I'm Asma, and you're watching Asma Talks, my channel. And before starting today's video, I would like to tell you that please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Guys, friends, today I'm going to teach you something very special, and that is how to differentiate between verb and adverb. People find it very difficult to differentiate between these two when they are at the early stages of learning. Before knowing the difference between verb and adverb, we should know what the verb is. Verb is an action or state of being. It means when you are in a state of doing something or you are doing something while moving. You can see that here is an example of action. Here a girl in the picture is writing something. She is writing something. Writing is an action. It means that she is moving her hand and she's also holding a pencil. And she is writing. That is an action. She is performing. That is why I have underlined and changed the color of this verb. This is what we call action. Another example of it is he is running. We can see a boy running in the picture. He is running. It means that this is the action. He is performing. This is his job. He is moving his body. So he is running, and running is verb here because it is some kind of action. It shows that a person is showing something to us by moving, by performing something. And other example is state of being, in which you are not performing an action, but at the same time you are doing something, like she is sleeping. She is not performing an action by moving her hands, but she is sleeping. So sleeping is state of being. What kind of state is she in? She is sleeping. So sleeping is also a verb. Sleeping, writing, doing something, running, all of these things are example of verbs. Adverb. Adverb always modifies verb, adjective, or another adverb. I have seen this thing that people or students find it very difficult to recognize adverb in a sentence. They mostly confuse it with verb or adjective. In my last video, I taught you about adjectives, and you should not find it difficult. You should understand the difference very easily if you have watched my last video. So adverb is not a verb, but at the same time it defines verb. It tells that how a verb is performing an action. How, when, why. Let's see an example. A boy is running. Yes, this is verb, running. How is he running? Fast. What is fast? It's not an adjective. It is an adverb, and it is telling us information about verb. He is running fast. So it answers the question how. So adverb tells us about verb. It gives us more information about verb. So he is running fast. Another example, she is sleeping. It means that she is in a state of being. How is she sleeping? She is sleeping soundly. So the word soundly, that is in different color, and I have underlined this word, is actually an adverb because it tells us about verb. So she is sleeping soundly. How is she sleeping? Yani, it is evident from the picture that soundly tells us about sleeping. It tells us about verb. So no doubt that it's an adverb. I'm sure that by watching this video, it is quite clear that adverb and verb is not same. She is writing beautifully. How is she writing? Beautifully, in a beautiful manner. So beautifully, which is quite different in color also, tells us about writing, her writing style. She may be writing in a very nice way. So beautifully tells us about writing, so it has become an adverb, no doubt about it. You can write it in two ways. You can say she is writing beautifully or she is writing in a beautiful manner. It tells us about the manner of doing something. So it answers the question, how? Another picture, he is running fast, as I explained before. Let us do some sentences as an example. Verb, adverb. He is running. Running is verb. How? Fast. Adverb. She is sleeping. How? Soundly. She is writing. How? Beautifully. I have differentiated both of these things. And for the kids especially who are the kind of learning stages where you learn about verb and adverb and you are quite confused about these two concepts, then you can understand them very easily by differentiate, by knowing that these are quite different things. And this is not difficult at all. We can think about other examples also. It means he is sitting quietly. Yes, this is an example of adverb. Another thing, he is walking slowly. Yes, this is a good example. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you watch more videos, and if you want to watch more videos, there is no doubt that you have to subscribe the channel and don't forget to do it. Thank you so much.